In today's video, I'll show you how to create a form in ActiveCampaign, customize the fields and design, and add it to your website. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open Website from the left-hand menu. Then select Forms and click Create a Form or Create a brand new form. Give your form a clear name, such as Newsletter Signup. Next, choose the form style you want to use. You can create an inline form that sits directly on your web page, a floating bar, a floating box, or a modal that appears in the center of the screen. Now, choose what should happen when someone submits the form. For example, you can subscribe the contact to a specific list or add a tag. Click Create Form to open the form builder. Inside the builder, you can add the fields you need. Open the Field section and drag the fields you want into your form. For a simple newsletter signup, an email field and first name field may be enough. Click any field to change its label, make it required, or adjust its settings. Next, open the Style tab to customize the form's fonts, colors, spacing, and overall appearance. Then open Options to configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can display a custom thank you message or redirect the visitor to another page. Once you're happy with the form, click Integrate in the top right corner. ActiveCampaign will provide embed options for adding the form to your website. Copy the appropriate embed code and paste it into your website builder or content management system where you want the form to appear. Finally, save your changes and preview the page to make sure the form looks and works correctly. And that's how you create a form on ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.